Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today is Saturday, kaya may time tayo. Gulo-gulo sa likod, but don't look at it, just look at me. Um, Pupunta kaming Copenhagen today because we're going to attend the concert. And originally, hindi sana ako kasama. Yung isasama niya is yung friend niya. Pero nag-cancel yung friend niya, tapos may dalawang ticket, so sayang naman. So that's why I'm gonna go with him. And it's a concert na hindi ko gusto, baka magustuhan ko mamaya. Pero, ang band na yun ay hindi ko kilala. Ang sabi ng husband ko, they're known for metal music, which is hindi ko gusto. But then, I'm on vacation, and I'm on vacation right now, so pupuntahan ko, and, wala din naman kasi ako nagagawin dito sa bahay, so I'm gonna go with him. And, I think it will start 5 ata in the afternoon. Tapos, it's almost 3 now. His friend is gonna pick us up and drive us to the event. And then, I don't know, parang 5 in the afternoon mag-start yung concert, and it's just gonna be 2-3 hours. Because, the corona guys, so it's like gonna be a very short concert, so it's also gonna be just sit down. It's a sit down concert, which is I like. Kasi pag stand up concert, hindi ko masyadong makita yung stage kasi ang liit ko at ang tatangkad at ang lalaki ng mga tao dito. So, it's gonna be a sit-down concert, and I hope I'm gonna enjoy it. And ang place na yun is I've been there before a very, very, very long time ago, and it was also a sit-down concert, actually with Martin and his sister at that time. So, I think it's gonna be the same venue. But this time, it's just me and him. So, and Martin is so excited. Like, he loved concerts. He loved going to music festival, which is the total opposite of me. Kasi ako is, medyo introvert ako, guys. Like, maybe because tumatanda na rin ako. So, I actually really enjoy just being home when I'm off from work and just, relax. Maybe watch a movie. Things like that. Pero, when I was younger, umatin-atin din ako ng mga ganun-ganun na party, guys. And my first few years, actually, I enjoyed going to, like, music festival, and we slept for, like, a week in the place. I attended 2 festivals here in Denmark, one in Yulan, and the other one was, I think, 2 years ago. 2 years ago? No, last year. Yeah, and it was, like, heavy metal music. But I went there, I also enjoyed, but it's really not something na talagang gugustuhin kong pumunta. Na parang, I'm gonna spend money for it because I really... So, like, I really wanna go there. No, it's not like that. But of course, from time to time, I go. And, just experience it. But it doesn't come natural to me because I feel like I'm getting old now, that I just actually really love to have just really want to have a relaxing day. So now my husband, he could hear me, so he's making side comments. Just remember, you're not the original one. It's so funny. There's actually a story about that. It's because I think last week he had an agreement with his friends to, like, make pizza because he's into pizza now, like making it perfect and all. So he had an agreement with his friend, and he will apparently visit the friend and with his family's friend. Tapos, they were speaking in Danish, and I could hear him, like, the friend went here. And so they were like, so how many people is gonna come tomorrow? And then they mentioned this name, and my name was not mentioned, guys. I was like, then I'm not invited. Like, even if I'm not really gonna attend, but at least be polite and say, maybe Karma wanna attend. But anyway, so I heard them talking about it, like, it's gonna be this kind of names of people, and my name was not mentioned. So I was like, okay, then I'm not invited. Like, it's also okay, but I mean, it's it's also okay. Shut up! It's also okay.
It's a lie story.
No, it's not a lie. So I was thinking, okay, it's also just okay. Then I can just be home. It's fine. Like, I really, as much as possible, I want to stay more at home than being out. Like, I'm becoming boring, guys. But that's the reality. And then after that, I think that there's a change of plan. But I know that I was not the original guest or something. So there was like a change of plan. And then suddenly my husband said, we got invited. I think it was Saturday or Sunday. Like we got invited, you know. They're gonna be making pizza, and it's gonna be like your own style of pizza. So they're still trying to find the perfect recipe and all. And so you're gonna come, you, me, and this and that. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna come. And then he was like, why? He go, well, I heard your conversation the other night, and I've heard about this event the other night, and those people has been mentioned that will come, and my name was not mentioned, so that means I'm not an original guest, so why should I come? So I'm like, what is it called when the original person is not gonna come, so there will be, what is that called in English? Like a rebounds? No, that's, I don't know. But anyway, so in my mind, like, okay, like, so they will only remember me just because the other people are not gonna come. So my husband said, don't be so over dramatic. Don't be so over dramatic. Just come, you know, he's enjoying. No, I'm not gonna come because I'm not the original guest. So now he is mentioning it always, you're not the original guest. Like he's teasing me so much about that. And this event, this concert, I'm also not the original guest. He had an agreement with his friend, and that friend is not gonna come, so he got no choice but to bring me because it will be so sad going there alone, right? So now I'm not the original guest again, but I will come anyway because there's nothing to do right now, and it's Sunday tomorrow, so there's really nothing to work. And now my husband is talking about it always, like, oh, you're not the original guest.
You're not the original one.
Yon. So yon, guys, I'm going to the concert today. That's what we're gonna do. I hope I'm gonna enjoy, and I hope Martin's not gonna be super drunk because the last time I was with him in a concert, I got so angry. He got so drunk, he couldn't control himself, and
see him. You're not the original one. So stop your bullshit.
So it's like, oh, you're not supposed to like control me if I'm gonna drunk or not so much because you're not the original one. No, I think it's gonna be fine. So yun ang aming gagawin for today. And it's actually a bit, no, it's not raining, but it's already dark outside, a little bit dark. And his friend is so nice, he's gonna pick us up, and then a bit later when the concert is done, he's also gonna pick us up, bring us back home here. It's because Martin's not allowed to drive, obviously, because he's gonna get drunk, and
you can't drive because,
and I cannot drive
because you're not old enough.
You're not. I'm old enough, Martin.
You're not old enough.
No, but
doesn't
anyway.
matter how old you are if you don't got a license.
So anyway, I cannot drive. I don't have a driver's license here, and Martin is not allowed to drive because he's gonna get drunk. So it's so nice that he got a friend who can actually drive us around, and yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So it will be way easier for us. I just really hope he's not gonna make me so angry and get so drunk.
The chances of that, I reckon that is 92 to 98%.
My God.
Only 2
No, but
2
really.
to 8% that are gonna go okay. Because that's why you're not the original one.
I'm not the original guest of honor. No, it's fine. It's gonna be great.
Not the original one. Don't look at me.
Yeah, and so be fast, or your friend is gonna come in, I don't know, in 5 minutes. So anyway, I'm all ready. Ganito lang yung buhok ko, guys. Ganyan lang. Tapos konting lipstick, ganyan. Tapos yung suot ko pala ay binili ko sa sale.
Not ready, you don't got shoes on. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my shoes downstairs. So, yeah, what I'm wearing is like 30 kroner. 30 kroner price sale. I bought it in the shop. So yun, at magagamit ko siya. It looks like, it's actually nice. It's cute. And then, what's nice about it is it's not so tight. So alam mo na, hindi tayo ganun ka-slim. So magandang ideya yan para magmukha tayong konting cute. See you.
This one is not the original one. This one is the original one.
Oh, this one?
This one is the original one. So what I'm gonna say is we're gonna go to this concert tonight. This one and the original one. And we're gonna go to a concert with a Danish band called Killermensch. Killermensch is a
Why are you
Danish
watching
band.
there?
Killermensch is a Danish band.
Oh.
And there will be a link for video down below. There will be videos.
I will actually not
And
upload it
it
because you're
is-
gonna copyright
No, you will upload it.
in your own.
And it will be nice, and it will be very heavy and dark. It's a weird band, but it's good.
Are they
And
popular?
I like it. I like it.
Are they
He
popular?
played 2 concerts today because of the COVID-19, and both are sold out. So
So
I guess
are they Danish?
I started this as a Danish band, so the question is to that one. If you haven't figured it out and she haven't figured it out, I don't know what to do anymore. Yes, you're from Denmark.
Yeah, but are they gonna sing in Danish or in English?
In English.
Oh, I never heard. Are they popular?
I try again. They played 2 sold out concerts today.
Yeah, but
What do you think?
maybe people are just too bored and don't have anything to do. so
This
it's
is
like,
where
okay,
we end this.
let's
This is the second we're actually gonna end this vlog because you cannot
We're gonna watch.
see what I have to work with. It's like impossible. And I also need to drink a beer more. So toodaloo everybody. And remember, down below,
Down below is now. What down below?
check it out.
Hi guys, it's 9 in the evening, tapos sobrang dilim na talaga dito. We just got home from the concert and it was actually really nice. Pero ang ginaw guys, sobrang ginaw. And I'm happy we got home early. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.